Come in.
Hello.
Hi, I will be your patient and your examiner at the same time. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Minallah.
And what's your candidate number?
333.
All right. Did you read the scenario outside?
Yes.
Okay. You can proceed with your patient.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Muhammad. I'm one of the surgical doctor working here. May I confirm your name and age, please?
Hi, my name is John. I'm 55 years old.
Nice to meet you, Mr. John. I'll be your doctor today, and I would like to open the infected wound in your thigh. Is that okay with you?
Yes, that's fine.
All right. This will be under sterile technique and numbing agent.
All right.
So I just wanted to ask you a couple of questions. Do you take any blood thinner medication, Mr. John?
No.
Okay. Do you have any allergies from any medication like lidocaine or?
No, I don't have any allergies now.
Okay, that's fine. So I would like to check the WHO checklist,
Which is already checked, yeah?
and I would like to take a written consent.
Yeah, the consent is already done.
Okay, so this procedure has some complication, Mr. John, like bleeding, infection, and scar. All right?
Yeah, I already know about that and I already consented, yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Now I will be repair my equipment, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. John, this is a numbing agent, expire date 2030, all right? Okay. So this is a needle. Okay. Needle.
Yeah, doctor, can I ask you questions while you're doing that?
Yes, of course, Mr. John.
So you're gonna insert numbing agent?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you feel any pain during the procedure, please stop me, all right? Okay, now I will change the needle. Needle.
Okay.
Okay, so Mr. John, my advice to avoid showering and bathing for the next 24 hours.
Okay.
All right?
All
Okay,
right.
so I'm going to give you the numbing agent. You may feel sharp scratch at the beginning, all right? Okay, Mr. John, you may feel sharp scratch at the beginning.
Yeah, doctor, that's
All right? So here we go. Yes, that's fine.
Okay, so you withdraw some first.
Yes.
Why is that, doctor?
Yeah, to make sure I'm not in the blood vessels.
Okay.
All right, here. Yes.
Okay.
That's good. This direction. Yes. Yeah, good. So, Mr. John, we need to wait 5 minutes to allow the numbing agent to work.
Consider 5 minutes already passed.
All right. So I just wanted to make sure you don't feel any pain. Okay.
Okay, so you will test it first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. John. So, do you feel pain here?
No, it's just some pressure.
Oh, that's fine. Here.
Pressure, yeah.
Here.
Some pressure, no pain.
Here.
Some pressure, no pain.
Okay. Okay, Mr. John. Now we'll start. Yes, all right. Take a swab. Could you please send this to the microbiology lab? I will set my finger to make sure there is no any loculi, all right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, Mr. John, I would like to irrigate the wound.
Yeah, doctor, that's fine. That's fine. I just want to make sure, will you do suture for that one?
No.
Okay.
We will keep the wound open and we will do dressing after 24 hours. All right? I will give you an appointment for this. Okay, Mr. John, now I would like to bag the wound. Okay, Mr. John, now I'm backing the wound.
Okay.
Mr. John,
Yeah.
you need some antibiotics, all right?
Okay.
2 doses after this procedure. And if you feel any pain or discharge or discomfort, please come to the hospital, okay?
Okay. Okay, doctor, I just want to ask you why I'm your doctor, I'm your examiner now. Why the lidocaine doesn't work in the abscess?
Because the bus make the environment acidic, and this will prevent the local anesthesia effect.
Okay, and which dressing will you do for this one?
Alginate dressing,
And why?
because highly absorbent and act as hemostatic and promote autolytic debridement. Okay, Mr. John, we finished our procedure. You have been so cooperative. I just want to ask my nurse to put a local dressing for you. All right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, could you please put a dressing for Mr. John? Thank you, Mr. John. You have been so cooperative. And
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, I would like to remove any sharp pins in the disposal container, and I would like to document my procedure.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you move to the next station?
Yeah, of course.